Welcome to this short tutorial on how to use the library database Business Insights. Business Insights is best used for market research as it combines access to a variety of content from basic company information to specialized reports and peer-reviewed articles. In this video, I will show you how to navigate to the database, how to search for companies, and how to use the database features to best support your research needs. Starting on the main AMC website, hover over Campus Life. Under Student Services, select Mondor Egan Library. Once on the library's page, scroll down to and select the databases icon under Library Resources. To find Business Insights in the A to Z databases list, you can either select B or simply scroll down until you find Business Insights. If you are connected to campus Wi-Fi, you will be automatically logged into the database. But if you are off campus or off AMC's Wi-Fi, you will have to log in with your library number and password. Your library number can be found on the back of your student ID, and your password will default to your last name in all caps. If you do not have a library number or are having issues signing in, please contact library staff at library@annamaria.edu. Business Insights is a comprehensive business research database which hosts a wide variety of traditional research materials, content, and tools specific to market research. To search by individual company, simply enter the company name into the search bar at the top of the screen. Alternately, you can browse all companies included in Business Insights. For example, if I was doing market research on streaming services, a logical place to start would be popular companies such as Netflix. Netflix is currently included in the Most Searched Companies list, but I can also search for it using the search bar at the top of the screen. As you can see, lots of content about Netflix is available on Business Insights. Note that several companies will come up under the basic name of Netflix. Separate entries are listed for parent companies and subsidiaries. All companies will indicate whether or not they are public or private, their location, and their parent company if relevant. This makes it easier for you to quickly determine which is which. Select your company of interest, which in our case will be the parent company of Netflix, which is headquartered in California. I can tell that this is the parent company because it itself does not list a parent company. You can see below, Netflix Entertainment Services India LLP does include a parent company, which is Netflix Incorporated, which we can see above. The company page contains a variety of information. The company profile provides vital information and statistics about the company, including those subsidiaries that we have seen earlier. It also includes an overview, including a history of the company and leadership info, full SWOT analysis, financial performance information, its competitors, and more broad industry information. Below the company profile is company articles, which includes articles and other media content about Netflix. If you do not need to be specific about the type of content, you can use the Search Within Results bar at the top of this section to find articles about Netflix on any given topic. For example, if I wanted to know more about the impact of users sharing their passwords, I could search for password sharing. This gives me some trade journal articles, a magazine article, plenty of news coverage, and one case study. From here, you can select the different types of content that you would like to see. If I wanted to browse that single case study, I would click on Case Studies. To see the full case study, select the title. If you needed to cite this article, you can do so directly from the database using the citation tool. This saves you having to create a citation from scratch. Select the cite icon at the top of the screen. Select your citation format. Click Select to copy the citation. Make sure to double-check your citation for correct formatting through Purdue or the Library Citation Guide before submitting any assignment. If you want to save a link to the article for later, instead of using the URL at the top of the screen, use the Get Link option inside of the database. Select Copy to copy the link. This creates a permanent link which will last much longer than the URL at the top of the screen. Use this link to save as a bookmark in your browser or paste into your favorite word processor for later. Another helpful tool available in Business Insights is the Compare Companies tool, which can be found on the main page of Business Insights. The Compare tool is listed on the right side of the screen alongside other tools such as Get Link. The Compare Companies tool allows you to compare multiple companies using different company metrics. For example, we can compare media giants Netflix and HBO in one place. Simply add companies and metrics of interest to create a chart or table. As you can see here, we've used both Netflix and HBO, or Home Box Office Incorporated, and selected the company metrics of revenue and employees to create this chart to compare them both. Additionally, you can change this from a chart to a table by toggling to Table instead of Chart. You can repeat the same process with, instead of using companies, you can use industries and countries or territories. That's all for this short tutorial on how to access and use the library database Business Insights. If you have any questions, go ahead and contact the library at library@annamaria.edu or visit the Mondor Egan Library on the lower level of the Information Commons during open hours, and a librarian will be happy to assist you.